Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can change your avatar on Steam. So go to this bit right here where it shows like your username. Go to profile and then go to edit profile here. Then you are going to go to your avatar, and here is where you can change your avatar. I already have avatars here, so I'm just going to select it, or you can upload your avatar here. Once you're done, you're just going to select save, and as you can see, your avatar will change on Steam. And that is how you can change your Steam avatar. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!